He's an actor. I am an actor. We are going to act the end. Okay. First, the trial.
Yes.
Il se trompe, il croit que c'est un film drôle.
I think it's a comedy.
No, I know that it's not a comedy, but
Il n'a pas de problème avec la voix parce que je fais beaucoup de théâtre, donc ça va très bien.
So he said he has no problem with his voice because he does theater as an actor.
Par quoi commencer? Ouais. On ne peut pas vous sortir du film.
He doesn't want to get you out of the movie, so he's trying to figure out how we're going to start this. This is complete improv.
Ah oui, là on est vraiment dans...
Improvisation totale.
Mais, non, mais je peux pas... Oui, pardon.
Talk about how the project came to you. How'd you start this?
Okay, how did you start the project? Comment t'as commencé le projet?
Le projet vient en premier lieu d'une histoire vraie.
It's based on a real story.
L'histoire de la comédienne.
There's a story of the young actress. It's her story.
Qui est en même temps la co-réalisatrice du film.
She also co-directed the movie and co-wrote with him.
Et qui est en même temps ma femme.
It's also his wife.
Et danseuse alors.
Et danseuse.
And she's also a dancer.
Voilà, l'histoire est partie de la nécessité d'exprimer.
So it came out of a necessity to express herself.
Parce que à la différence, sans faire de vous dire la suite.
So he doesn't want to tell you and be a spoiler, but.
Mais le procès que vous alliez voir.
The trial that you were about to see when we were so rudely interrupted.
s'est passé avant, c'est-à-dire que les choses, les comédies musicales, tout ce que vous avez vu en comédie musicale.
Everything you saw as far as music and musical comedies.
Dans la vraie vie, se sont passées après le procès.
In actuality, the stuff about, you know, the comedies and them being on stage and all of that happened after the trial. In reality, in the movie, they changed it around.
Ce qui veut dire que le procès n'avait rien réglé.
So that means that the fact that she needed still to express herself that way means that the trial didn't do anything for her. It didn't. She didn't resolve anything for her.
Parce que le procès était venu, comme dans le film, de vouloir sauver deux petites filles.
Because I mean, actually, the trial came because she wanted to save those two little girls.
Mais le parcours psychologique nécessaire pour libérer les choses n'avait pas été fait.
But the psychological work that you need to do to be free hadn't been done at that time.
Donc, il y a eu une écriture, il y a eu une pièce de théâtre.
So they wrote about this, then they did a theater, a play.
Et ensuite le film.
And then after came the movie.
Voilà le parcours de quiconque qui est le plus important pour une victime.
So my role in this is that it's recognition, understanding and love. That is the most important that you can bring to a victim.
Quand on a projeté le film les premières fois, il y avait des victimes dans la salle.
So the first time that you showed this movie, there were victims, people of sexual abuse in the theater.
Et les gens qui applaudissaient à la fin, les victimes nous disaient « J'ai applaudi le film » et après j'ai dit « Non, les gens ne sont pas en train d'applaudir que le film, mais m'applaudissent moi. »
So the people who had been abused at the end, when people were clapping at the end of the movie, they recognized...
Sorry, it's my...
They recognized that they were not only clapping because of the movie and they liked the movie and how they touched them, but they were also recognizing them as victims. Finally, they were recognized and they were heard.